Yo, what's up dancers? This is Jam bringing you another lock-in tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a jazz split to knee drop combo. Knee drops and jazz splits are essential power moves in locking, and I'm gonna teach you how to seamlessly transition from each move so that you can get dynamic with your style. Let's do it!
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
All right, so before we get into this tutorial, make sure that you check out the knee drop and jazz split tutorials, and I'll put links to those in the description. These are prerequisites to be able to do this because obviously this is knee drops and jazz splits, okay? And make sure, of course, as always, you warm up and stretch your body first because this can be kind of risky going on the ground and coming back up. So make sure you warm up properly and let's get into it. So there's a lot of different ways that you can play with these two moves and how you kind of combo them together. So the first thing that I'm gonna show you is going from jazz split into a knee drop and coming back up, okay? And what that combination looks like. So we're gonna start with our good old kick and into the jazz split, okay? So from here, of course, we're gonna land on our feet first and ease our way down into the split, okay? Now from this position, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna use my body to lift up as if I'm going to slide back up, but instead of sliding all the way back up, I'm going to close this leg down, okay? So from here, I'm gonna come up and close down, okay? So from here, I'm gonna use my body up and I'm gonna come into the knee drop position, okay? And remember, we're on the insides and our toes are planted here. From here, all I'm going to do is I'm gonna lift up, boom, to my squat position, and then I'm back up, okay? Just to add a little bit of tempo to it, it looks like this. Kick, down, knees, and up, okay? Really important that when I drop down into my split, the same way that if we were gonna bounce right back up, I use my hands and I bounce out of it, okay? So from here, boom, like that. So I'm gonna hit here, I'm gonna bounce up, and you don't have to go all the way up, but just enough space for you to come into your knee drop, come up to your squat, and back up, and there you are. One more time with tempo, looks like this. Boom, 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 boom. Just like that.
Come on.
All right, so that's one combination that you could do with these two moves. Now I'm gonna teach you how to do it the reverse way. So we're gonna go from knee drop into the split and we're gonna bounce up out of the split, okay? So we'll start the same way like we did with the split. We're going to do our kick, okay? We're gonna kick. Of course, we're gonna come on our feet first, ease down into our knee drop, okay? Now from here, same principle. I'm gonna lift my body up and I'm gonna open this leg like this, okay? So from this position, I'm gonna open up and I'm gonna slide it out, okay? So from here, up, and I'm actually gonna plant my heel. So from this position, when I open this knee up, I'm gonna lift my leg off of the ground and hit the heel into that straight position, and then I'm gonna fall down into the split, okay? And then from here, of course, we're gonna use our body, come up, and slide in all at one time, okay? So slowly, it looks like this. We're gonna kick, knee drop, we're gonna go up and down, and then we're gonna come up, okay? With full speed, looks like this. Boom, 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 just like that.
Come on.
Show you is just how you can use these two moves in repetition. So these are two combinations that you can play with fully within your style and within your dance. But you can also bounce back and forth in between the moves because they're simple transitions, right? So let's say I start with the knee drop into the split, okay? So I'm here, I go into my knee drop, into my split. Well, now that I'm in my split, I can come back to my knee drop and come back up. So I can play with how I want to repeat or change the transition and how I can mix up that combination, yeah? So that one would look something like this. Boom, 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 okay? And even if you wanted to, you could just go back and forth over and over, right? So here, boom, ha, boom, boom, boom. And you can play with that concept with the music. So if there's some kind of musicality you want to hit, you can play back and forth with those moves just to accent the music and however you want to do the style.
Come on.
Thank you so much for checking out this locking tutorial. I really hope that you learned something and got some value out of the video. And if you did, please do me a favor and smash that like button, as well as leave me a comment and let me know your feedback on this video. As always, shout out to the Drop Dance Studio for hosting this tutorial. And please subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click that bell icon so you always get notified when I put out a new tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!